Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Clydesdale horse. These horses are just so pretty. So we're going to start with the eye. We're drawing the horse like a side view. So here's the side of its head. I'm going to draw that eye. And then we have like this little line on the eye, because our horsey's going to be smiling. Then we're going to draw this curved line so our horse is looking off to the side. And then of course we have to add this tiny little circle for the shine of the pupil. And then we're going to color this part in. And then once you have that color, we're pretty much done with the eye. Alright, let's add an eyebrow. Awesome. Now we're going to move on to the ears. So imagine we're drawing like this leaf shape, and then we draw a couple of zigzags on the inside of the ear. And then of course we're going to do the same thing on this side. So here's the ear on the other side of our horsey. Alright, great. Now this is probably the trickiest part. We're going to draw our horse's snout. So it's straight, it curves down to a point and then curves back again into a smile. And then we'll add that little nostril. And then of course our horse needs a chin, so we're going to draw that chin here. And also the cheek. Alright, our horse has a head. Awesome. Beautiful. But she's looking kind of bald. We need to add some hair. So let's go ahead and draw the mane. Got this curved line. It goes into this beautiful little curl at the end. And then comes back around. Awesome. And then she's gonna have even more hair on this side here. So we curve. You can add some zigzags too to make it look really fluffy, but it's gonna curve. Her hair's slightly curly, slightly wavy. And then we're following that curve on this side, so it's going in the same direction. And then it goes into a point. And then we're gonna draw this other curve. So it's basically like all this hair is in like one big curl. And of course we can't just leave it like that. We need to add some more detail. So we're gonna add some lines here in a second. Curved line. Goes in the same direction as our curve for the hair, and then same thing here. And then we're going to do it again. Curve. And then another curve. Glorious. And then another one. Awesome. And you guys can add as many of these lines as you want. I mean, you don't have to do the same amount that I'm doing, just whatever looks best to you. And we don't want to forget about this little section too, so we'll add some lines there. Doesn't it look so much better? It was looking really plain without the lines before, so I'd say that's a pretty good upgrade. Well, she can't just be a floating head and hair, you know, we gotta add some more detail. So here's the neck. It's kind of hidden by the mane. And then the chest, also kind of hidden by the mane, but that's okay. And we're gonna have one leg that's up. Now something fun about these Clydesdale horses is they have really fuzzy, really fluffy hooves. It's almost like they're wearing little booties, like, you know, those winter boots with lots of fur on them. You know, boots with a fur. Yeah, we're gonna draw our horsey like that. So there's one extra fluffy hoof. And then this next leg's gonna be down on the ground. So we're adding that fluffiness. And then we'll bring that leg back up. Awesome. So we got 2 legs and 2 fuzzy hooves. Let's draw the back. It's mostly a straight line, a little bit of a curve at the end there. We'll draw the tummy. Another straight line just goes up a little bit. And then these hind legs are going to be slightly different than the front legs. So we're going to curve, and then we're going to go this way, and then we're going to draw some more fuzzy hooves. Fuzzy. Boop, boop, boop. Just like that. You got it. And then we're going to curve and connect down to that part. Now, drawing legs is hard work, so let's take a little itty bitty break from doing that and draw the tail, which I think is the most fun part of this whole drawing. So woo, wiggly line. Our Clydesdale horse has a very long, very wavy tail. Goes all the way down to the ground. Let's draw some more wiggly lines. Kind of looks like a guitar, doesn't it? But don't worry, it's not gonna look like a guitar when we're done here. And the last leg is just this little line here. All right, let's do what we did with the mane, and we're gonna add some more lines on the inside for some detail. Here's one. Wiggle. Here's 2, and again, you can add as many as you want. Wiggle. Here's 3. Wiggle. 4. And there you have it, guys. You can color your Clydesdale. I made mine tan and brown and white, but you can color it however you'd like. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.